Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we will guide you through the process of buying a virtual phone number for Puerto Rico with KrispCall. Getting a Puerto Rico number via KrispCall guarantees seamless connectivity with local users. Get your Puerto Rican phone number with KrispCall in just a few easy steps. Visit KrispCall.com and log in or sign up for an account. Access My Number by either clicking on the plus icon or going to the Settings menu. Then click Purchase New Number. Now choose Puerto Rico. Customize your number type and proceed to buy number. Assign a name to the number you've chosen and add it to your cart. No documents are required to buy the local Puerto Rico virtual phone number. Confirm your purchase by clicking Confirm Purchase. Upon activation, you can enjoy voice ability and send SMS and MMS to the local number. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced telephony features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.